Welcome to the Moldy Fixer channel, as today I will be showing you how to decaulk a bathtub. First and foremost, you might be like, I don't have a tool for that. Well, I got this nice handy 3-in-1 tool on Amazon. The nice sharp edge is to get under the caulk and really scrape under. You can also use this red edge to get under, and then this black part right here is used to, when you're putting more caulk, to help patch it up. So, when you're getting into it, you might have some like shampoo and some conditioner. You just gotta move them to the side for the time being. Then also, they put your curtain up like this so it's not in your way, so it's very accessible to get in and out of the bathtub. Now, let's get into it. So you get in your tub, wherever you might find an easy spot, and you just get the nice sharp edge, and you just start getting under it. And it might be you might find parts where it's a little harder to get under, and there might be chunks where it's a little easier, like that. So you got a nice little chunk, just throw it in the bathtub. You can clean it up later. But right now, just get under, and you'll get some easier chunks like this, and just pull up. So that is an easy way to get caulk out of a bathtub. Thank you for watching the Moldy Fixer channel. Please subscribe below, give me a like and a share, some comments, and I hope you continue to watch my videos.